Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you hear a loud screeching noise, that's the sink in the kitchen. It needs to be fixed. But let's zoom in on these goodies that I'm getting ready to use to help get my nails right. Okay, get ready because this nail right here is damaged, the ring finger. And I cannot let it grow as long as the others because it was split. Let's see, can we get the focus? It'll split straight down the middle. Come on, focus. Me? Can you focus on me? Darling, can you focus? I don't know I see that song, but it'll split straight down the middle. So right now you can't really tell it, but you can kind of see it a little bit. So let's see what I have. I have the Smooth Rocket Ridge Filler. Okay, this is by Beauty Guard. And it's supposed to be a little bit more healthier than other nail polishes. And these two came together for like $35. And then we got that top coat, that Nail Fuel by Beauty Guard, that Rocket, because it's supposed to help your nails to grow. Now you see how I focused on that? Smooth Rocket. So that's the Ridge Filler, you know, like a base coat. And then I went in for one of the new products, which is called Jelly Rocket Nail Fuel. And it's in the shade Bubblegum Jelly. I can't wait to try this. But we will be trying these two first by themselves. And then once we get things going, we'll add this. And I'll probably buy the other gel formulas. And it basically says on the back, apply one coat every day, one top of the last. Okay, so if I put a coat on today, in one coat, then tomorrow I'll put another coat on, and then do that for a week, then remove all product and begin the process all over again until you got the desired nails. Okay, all right, so we got that Rocket Fuel, and then our next product that we have is the juviasplace. Okay. I hope this blanket clean, because my granddaughter be wasting stuff. She sleep, y'all. She was up during dinner time. So she's on that video. And yes, I'm going to tell you which one I've used already. And this is just the glue, because I think it's a pretty decent glue for your eyelashes. And basically I have eyelashes from juviasplace that I ain't never used before. And some that I have, and I really like their eyelash glue. Okay, so let's see. I've used the honeydew, which doesn't smell like honeydew at all, but it has a smell to it. And then it also smells kind of chemically, which I did not like. The mango, it's nice. All of these are lightly scented. Okay, and so right here we have watermelon, we have honeydew, mango, we have sweet orange. This orange right here don't have a smell at all, and blueberry smells like cotton candy. So I put this on my granddaughter. So I hope it's okay. So the mango and the honeydew are the two that I've tried already, and I just got these. I kept telling my daughter, check the mailbox, and because I don't like for my products to come and they're in the mailbox, or it says it's in the mailbox and it's not. So yeah, so y'all see I'm one-handing it, And this is how it comes out. Okay, hold on. We're going to try to assist it. Okay, there. And so that's how much product is in it. That's my only disappointment, because the applicator is so fat. It take up a lot of room. And so it needs a lot of room, and that make the product look like it's full, but it's not. But this is what the applicator looks like. It's nice and round, doe foot on that side, and flat. And it has like a little curve on this side, okay? And it's very thin, but it has a little thickness to it. I don't know. How can I show y'all? Because I'm actually holding the camera. Let me see. Y'all, I tell you, it's the perfect time to do it while she sleep. But